How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile. As you open WhatsApp on your mobile, then scroll down and select the person you want to delete. Let's say I am selecting this person. As I select this person, then go to these three lines and then go to more and then block this person. As you block this person, after blocking this person, click on these three lines again and then go to more, and then you can clear chat from here. This is one option, or other is that you can go back and then select this person by long clicking it and then delete this person by clicking on the delete icon. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also if you have any suggestion, also put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.